The unseen world. Can something so small be so important? Have you ever thought about the tiniest living things on Earth? We can't even see them without a microscope. These microscopic wonders are everywhere, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. They are essential to life as we know it. These tiny organisms are part of the Monera kingdom. Don't let their size fool you. They play a huge role in our world. 5 kingdoms, putting life into categories. To understand the living world, scientists organize organisms into groups. One way to do this is with Whitaker's 5-kingdom classification. This system divides all living things into 5 main categories: Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. Each kingdom has special characteristics. Today we're focusing on the smallest and simplest of them all, the Monera kingdom. Monera kingdom. Welcome to the simple life. The Monera kingdom is a fascinating world of single-celled organisms. They are prokaryotes, meaning their cells lack a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Think of them as the first draft of life on Earth. Despite their simplicity, monerans are incredibly diverse and play a vital role in our ecosystem. Let's dive deeper into their world. What is Monera? Decoding the tiny titans. Monerans are single-celled organisms. This means they are made up of just one cell. They are prokaryotic, lacking a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Their genetic material floats freely within the cell. Most monerans have a rigid cell wall made of peptidoglycan, which provides structural support. They are incredibly small, often measured in micrometers. Despite their simple structure, they exhibit a wide range of metabolic activities and play diverse roles in various ecosystems. Section 5, bacteria and cyanobacteria, 2 sides of the same coin. The Monera kingdom mainly consists of bacteria. These microscopic organisms are incredibly diverse and can be found in a multitude of environments. They are single-celled and lack a nucleus, which classifies them as prokaryotes. Despite their simplicity, bacteria play a multitude of roles in various ecosystems. Bacteria are found in almost every habitat on Earth, from soil and water to the human gut. They thrive in extreme environments such as hot springs, deep-sea vents, and even radioactive waste. Their adaptability is a testament to their evolutionary success. They come in various shapes and sizes and exhibit a wide array of metabolic capabilities. Some bacteria are rod-shaped, others are spherical, and some even have spiral forms. This diversity in form is matched by their metabolic versatility, allowing them to utilize a range of energy sources. Cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, are another important group within Monera. Unlike other bacteria, cyanobacteria can perform photosynthesis, a process that converts light energy into chemical energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. These photosynthetic bacteria played a crucial role in the evolution of Earth's atmosphere by producing oxygen. This oxygenation event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, dramatically changed the composition of the atmosphere and allowed for the evolution of aerobic life forms. They are found in diverse aquatic environments, contributing significantly to the global carbon and nitrogen cycles. Cyanobacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen, converting it into a form that can be used by plants and other organisms, thus playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling. However, not all impacts of cyanobacteria are beneficial. Under certain conditions, they can form harmful algal blooms which produce toxins that can be detrimental to aquatic life and human health. These blooms are often a result of nutrient pollution in water bodies. Despite their differences, bacteria and cyanobacteria share many similarities, such as their prokaryotic cell structure and their ability to adapt to various environments. Together, they represent the incredible diversity and adaptability of life within the Monera kingdom. Section 6. Shapes of bacteria: round, rod-shaped, or spiral. Bacteria are classified into different types based on their shape. Cocci are spherical bacteria, like tiny balls. Bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria, like tiny sticks. Spirilla are spiral-shaped bacteria, like tiny corkscrews. Vibrio bacteria are comma-shaped, like tiny curved rods. These shapes help scientists identify different types of bacteria under a microscope. Each shape may be associated with specific characteristics or functions. Section 7. How monerans eat, from sunlight to your leftovers. Monerans exhibit diverse modes of nutrition. These single-celled organisms have adapted to thrive in a multitude of environments, each with its own unique way of obtaining energy and nutrients. Some are autotrophic, meaning they can produce their own food. This is a remarkable ability that allows them to be self-sufficient. Cyanobacteria, for example, are photosynthetic, using sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars. This process not only sustains the cyanobacteria, but also contributes to the oxygen supply in our atmosphere. Other bacteria are chemosynthetic, obtaining energy from chemical reactions. These bacteria often live in extreme environments, such as hydrothermal vents, where sunlight is not available. Many monerans are heterotrophic, meaning they rely on other organisms for food. They play a vital role in the ecosystem by breaking down organic material. Saprophytic bacteria obtain nutrients by decomposing dead organic matter, playing a crucial role in nutrient recycling. Without these bacteria, dead plants and animals would accumulate, disrupting the balance of ecosystems. Parasitic bacteria live in or on other organisms, obtaining nutrients from their host. While some parasitic bacteria cause diseases, others have a more symbiotic relationship with their hosts, contributing to their survival in various ways. Section 8. Multiplying monerans. One cell becomes two. Most monerans reproduce asexually, primarily through binary fission. In binary fission, a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. This process allows for rapid population growth under favorable conditions. Some monerans can also exchange genetic material through conjugation. During conjugation, two bacteria connect through a structure called a pilus. Genetic material is transferred from one bacterium to another, increasing genetic diversity. Section 9. The impact of Monera tiny organisms. Huge impact. Despite their microscopic size, monerans have a huge impact on our world. These tiny organisms are everywhere, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, and even in the most extreme environments like hot springs and Arctic ice. They are incredibly diverse and adaptable, making them one of the most successful groups of organisms on Earth. They play essential roles in nutrient cycling, breaking down dead organic matter and releasing nutrients back into the environment. This process is crucial for maintaining the health of ecosystems, as it ensures that nutrients are continuously recycled and made available for other organisms. Without monerans, dead plants and animals would accumulate, and the flow of nutrients would be disrupted. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms usable by plants, which is essential for plant growth. This symbiotic relationship between plants and bacteria is vital for agriculture, as it helps to naturally fertilize the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. These bacteria live in root nodules of legumes and other plants, forming a mutually beneficial partnership. Monerans are also used in various industries, including food production, yogurt, cheese. In the dairy industry, specific strains of bacteria are used to ferment milk, producing yogurt and cheese with unique flavors and textures. Pharmaceutical industries rely on bacteria for the production of antibiotics, which are crucial for treating bacterial infections. Biotechnology harnesses the power of bacteria for genetic engineering, bioremediation, and the production of biofuels. However, some monerans can cause diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, and food poisoning. These pathogenic bacteria can have severe impacts on human health, leading to outbreaks and epidemics. Understanding how these bacteria operate and finding ways to combat them is a major focus of medical research. Vaccines, antibiotics, and improved sanitation are some of the measures used to control bacterial diseases. Remember, the Monera kingdom, though microscopic, plays a huge role in our lives. They're not just pathogens, they are also essential partners in many biological processes. Scientists continue to study these fascinating organisms to unlock their full potential and understand their complex interactions with other life forms. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, monerans are essential to life as we know it. They are involved in processes that sustain life on Earth, making them indispensable to our survival. As we continue to explore the microbial world, we gain a deeper appreciation for these tiny yet mighty organisms.